that you get on international. First class seat on my lap, girl. Ride it comfortable. 'Cause I know what a girl can be. New York to Haiti. I got lipstick stamps on my passport. You make it hard to leave. Been around the world, don't speak the language, but your booty don't need explaining. Or I'm learning it to understand it. Well, you talk dirty to me. Talk dirty to me. Talk dirty to me. Talk dirty to me. Get jazzy. You know the words to my song. No habla English. Our conversations ain't long, but you know what it is. So I know what a girl that won't. London to Taiwan. I got lipstick stamps on my passport. I think I'm needing you on. Been around the world, don't speak the language, but your booty don't need explaining. Or I'm letting it to understand this. Well, you talk dirty to me. Talk dirty to me. Talk dirty to me. Talk dirty to me. Who knew? When a friend and we toss, she was all on me, oh damn. Wicked man on the trio, monstro. Oh, Josh the just goes to genius. So what I win is she could suck my penis. People arenas and guns on deck. Just the tongues on that. International oral sex. Every picture I take, I pose a threat. Both project what you expect. This is so good about her pet. Anyways, everything I'm trying to get to it. Gotta save in my phone and the big booty. Anyways, everything I'm trying to get to it. Gotta save in my phone and the big. Been around the world, don't speak the language, but your booty don't need explaining. Or I'm learning it to understand it. Well, talk dirty to me. Talk dirty to me. Talk dirty to me. Get